Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Maisha, and for today's video, I'll be going to do a tutorial on how to edit iOS notification pop-ups plus intro template. So what are we waiting for? Let's start! So the apps that you'll need for this tutorial are PixArt and Fonto. So first we need to go to PixArt, and we need to do this reminder first thingy and scroll down and look for color backgrounds and select that one. And guys, by the way, this aesthetic concept was inspired by Mr. KennethLarita and Miss Jessica Vu. So please check their channels and make sure to subscribe to their channels because both of them are so amazing. And guys, I'm so sorry if I cannot do the voiceover all over the video because it's so noisy at the moment. So I just prepared the instructions on the left side corner so that you will catch up with the whole tutorial. And guys, again, don't click that check button at the upper right corner because if you're going to click that, you cannot adjust the pictures that we are layering. And guys, as you can see, there are broken lines. So those broken lines indicates that both of your layered pictures are aligned. And I'm moving those pictures upward so that it will be my guide for the next stencil that we're going to do. And guys, just a disclaimer, I am not a professional artist or a professional video editor or whatsoever. I am just a regular person who loves to edit things like these because editing videos, vlogging, editing pictures, photography, etc. are just my hobbies. And I'm just doing this for hobbies and also for me to help you guys out. And I'm already done editing my templates. So if you're already done, you can now click the check button at the upper right corner and save the picture. So the reason why I saved the picture first is that it will be easier for me to insert the iOS reminder icon. So I've just searched pictures of the iOS reminder icon on Google and find some PNG pictures of that. So we need two reminder icons because we have two stencils there. And guys, don't worry in making both of your reminder icons size similar because there will be broken lines that will guide you there. So let's move on to the next step, which is we're going to insert the characters that are found in the actual iOS reminder icon. And just go to Fonto and select the image that we have edited earlier. So to download the font San Francisco, you can check the link in the description box below. Alright guys, so I know that at this point, you're wondering why I let you customize your entire template, because I wanted you guys to make your own version of iOS reminder pop-ups. And lastly, we're going to do this pop-up, which is shown in the screen. So let's go back to PixArt and edit it. And guys, the process is still the same, but in addition, we need to go to the draw button, click the paintbrush button, and select the diagonal line there, which is highlighted in blue. And I set the size to 3 and opacity to 50. And I just draw lines to mimic the actual pop-up. Once done, of course, save your project and let's proceed again to Fonto to insert the characters that are found in this pop-up. And the font that we're going to use is still the same, San Francisco. So once done, click save and save it as PNG. So that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be a part of my Bella fam. See you in my next one. Ciao. God bless you all.